National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Bedford County in south central Pennsylvania, southwestern Blair County in central Pennsylvania, central Cambria County in central Pennsylvania, until 4:45 p.m. At 3:39 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Indiana, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to trees, roofs, and siding. Locations impacted include Altoona, Hollidaysburg, Evansburg, Nantiglow, Portage, Roaring Spring, Lakemont, Crescent, Gallatin, Claysburg, Vinco, Loretto, Duncansville, Osterburg, Salix Beauty Line Park, Beaverdale Lloydell, Lilly, South Fork, Carrolltown, and Sankertown. This includes Interstate 99 for mile markers 8 to 33. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for south central and central Pennsylvania. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.